Create a truth table for the statement A or B if and only if not C. So I've got three individual statements that create this complex statement, and so there's compound statement. So I'm going to have a column for each of those in my truth table, and then from those I need to build the statement. So I need an A or B, and I need a not C, and of course I need the if and only if between those. So A or B, if and only if not C. Okay, so this is going to be my truth table, or the columns of my truth table, I should say. And we need to know how many rows we're going to have. So for the number of rows, we just take the number of individual statements that create this compound statement, and it's 2 raised to that number. So 2 raised to the 3, which is 8. So I'm going to have 8 rows here for my truth table. And I need to create my possible values of true and false for A, B, and C. So we just go, we start off by half of the first column is true. So that's 4 trues and 4 falses. And then we just split that in half for the next column. So then 2 trues and 2 falses, repeat it down until we fill the column. And then split that in half, so 1 true and 1 false down the final column. So these are the possible combinations of true and false for A, B, and C. And now we can look at A or B. A or B, we are just looking for a true in these 2 columns. Okay, we just need a true. Once we get a true, then the statement is true. So here, of course, the first 4 here, I've got true in the A column, so those are going to be true. Okay. These next 2, the B is true. And then the last 2, both of them are false, so that's false. Okay, not C, that's the negation of the C column. So we're just going to take the truth values of C and we're going to flip them. So true goes to false and false goes true. And finally, we have the A or B, if and only if not C. So we're looking at these 2 columns here. I'm sorry, not that column. These 2 columns here. And we are just looking for them to be the same. All right, if they're the same, then the if and only if is true. Otherwise, it's false. So here they are not the same, that's false. Next one, they are the same, they're both true, so that's true. The next, they are not the same, so that's false. Then they are the same, that's true. Then they're not the same, that's false. Then they are the same, that's true. And then they are the same again, that's true. And the last one, they're not the same, so that's false. So there's our truth table for this biconditional.